This video will guide you through the process of creating forms and assessments with branching logic using the SkyPrep Studio feature. If you need instructions on using the Studio feature, the video will be linked in the description below. Once in your Studio document, select the Branch Form content block from the side panel and click on Create a Form block. Name the form and click on Add Question. Once you're on this panel, you can start building the form. Enter the question that the user needs to answer in the question field. If necessary, you can also attach an image using the Attach Question Image option. Next, you'll need to choose a question type. You can choose between multiple choice or text input, which allows answers to be typed freely. To use a multiple choice format, enter an answer option in this field. To add an additional choice, click the Add Answer button. The Question Behavior option determines what happens when an answer is chosen. You can choose from Proceed to Next Question, Jump to Another Question, and End Form. If you choose Proceed to Next Question, the user will be taken to the next question in the form after selecting that answer. If you choose Jump to Another Question, the user will be taken to the question number specified, allowing the questions and response choices to dynamically change based on the submitted answer. Lastly, the End Form option will mark the form complete and allow its responses to be reported on. This is also the behavior of the last question in the form if Proceed to Next Question is selected. If you want to provide text feedback to the user after they select an answer, use a feedback field. Finally, the Delete button will delete that answer option. Now that we've covered the multiple choice format, let's go over the text input method. If you select text input, the panel will look like this instead. Enter the question, and then enter the word that the learner should enter in the Text Entered Is field. If there are multiple correct options or variations, separate the answers with a comma. For example, entering red, white will mean both red and white are accepted as individual answers. Just like multiple choice questions, you can choose between Proceed to Next Question, Jump to Another Question, and End Form. Clicking the Add Branching Option button will add another Text Entered Is field, allowing you to take learners down multiple paths based on their answer. You can also choose what happens when a non-supported answer is entered with the All Other Cases menu. Again, you can choose from Proceed to Next Question, Jump to Another Question, and End Form. This is what will happen if the learner submits an answer that was not specified in one of the Text Entered Is fields. Once that's done, publish the document and your learners will be able to complete the form. To view learner responses, you can click on the Review Learner Attempts button in your document. Alternatively, you can click on Required Grading in the Studio section of your platform. If you have any questions about this feature, you can take a look at our FAQ article or you can contact your account manager for more assistance.